In recent years, Adobe has consistently increased prices on its creative software. With the latest changes, an annual Creative Cloud subscription now costs between $720 and $1,080 for monthly billing, or $660 if prepaid annually. As more people explore alternatives, here's a list of some top free options for Adobe's 10 most popular programs, including Photoshop, After Effects, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more. Let's dive in. Number 1. Alternative for Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is widely used for creating vector-based graphics, including logos, illustrations, and icons, which retain their quality at any scale. A highly recommended free alternative is Inkscape, an open-source vector graphics program. Inkscape offers a robust set of tools for creating and manipulating objects, and its fully compliant SVG file format makes it an excellent option for generating and editing files. For those familiar with Illustrator, transitioning to Inkscape should be straightforward, and the Inkscape website provides numerous tutorials for guidance. Inkscape is available on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Number 2. Alternative for Adobe After Effects. Adobe After Effects is widely used for creating visual effects and motion graphics in post-production for TV, movies, and video games. While free alternatives can't fully match its feature set, many users turn to Blender, a free and open-source suite for crafting realistic 3D animations and visual effects. Blender comes packed with tools for motion graphics, including a compositor and a user-friendly video editor. Given its powerful capabilities, it's a valuable resource that might come with a hefty price tag if it were a paid Adobe product. Blender is available across Windows, macOS, and Linux platforms. Number 3. Alternative for Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign is a well-known program for desktop publishing and page design, supporting both print and digital media projects such as books, magazines, flyers, and business cards. A strong free alternative is Scribus, which is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. Scribus provides a layout that includes grids, frames, and layers, allowing for a smoother transition from InDesign. The software comes with a comprehensive set of tools, including color management, font handling, and support for vector drawing tools. Number 4. Alternative for Adobe Audition. Adobe Audition is a digital audio workstation designed for recording, editing, mixing, and restoring audio. It's widely used in fields like video post-production and podcasting. For those seeking a free alternative, Audacity is a strong option. As an open-source program, Audacity offers a comprehensive set of features suitable for most audio tasks, including support for various plugins, compatibility with many audio file formats, and customization options. It's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it a versatile choice across platforms. Number 5. Alternative for Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom is widely used by photographers for photo editing and organization, making it easy to create, edit, store, and share images. A couple of free alternatives are worth considering. First, there's Darktable, a favorite among photographers for its clean interface and non-destructive editing, which keeps the original image intact. It also supports multiple file formats, including RAW. Darktable is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. Another alternative to Lightroom that some users' selection is RAW-Therapee. This program supports RAW file editing as well as a wide range of other formats. Although its interface may not be as polished, it provides non-destructive editing and batch processing capabilities, similar to Darktable. RAW-Therapee is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. Number 6. Alternative for Adobe Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat is a comprehensive suite for creating, editing, and managing PDF files. While it's difficult to find a completely free alternative, with all of Acrobat's capabilities, PDF Escape offers a legal, no-cost option for basic PDF tasks. With PDF Escape's online version, you can create, edit, annotate, and fill out PDF forms, although it's best to avoid entering sensitive information due to its web-based nature. For users needing more functionality, PDF Escape also has a desktop version for Windows, available for around $3 per month, which provides additional tools. Number 7. Alternative for Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is one of Adobe's most recognized programs, primarily used for editing, enhancing, and creating images and artwork. Among the free alternatives, GIMP stands out as a powerful raster graphics editor. It offers extensive features, including layer support, numerous drawing tools, a variety of filters, and effects. Besides handling Photoshop's PSD files, GIMP supports many popular file formats. Though it may not be the easiest editor to navigate, tutorials are available on GIMP's website. GIMP is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. Number 8. Alternative for Adobe Animate. Adobe Animate is commonly used for developing 2D animations and interactive visuals across different media, such as apps, TV, web, games, and cartoons. For a free alternative, Synfig Studio, available on Windows, macOS, and Linux, is a solid option. This open-source software includes tools for creating high-quality animations while minimizing resource demands. Many users appreciate the manual vector tweening feature, which streamlines the process by reducing the need to draw each individual frame. Synfig Studio is funded by user donations, but it's free to use. If budget is a concern, simply enter 0 under Name a Fair Price when downloading. Number 9. Alternative for Adobe Express. Adobe Express is a user-friendly app available on both web and mobile platforms, designed for creating simple images, videos, social posts, and other content. While it includes some free tools, its functionality can feel limited without a subscription. Canva is a popular alternative, offering both free and paid options. Being web-based, it's accessible through any browser and provides a large selection of templates across different categories to assist with design. Canva also includes a free online photo editor and a basic video editor. The free plan is quite robust with a range of features suitable for most casual users, while the Pro plan, available at $6.50 per month, offers additional resources for those who need them. Number 10. Alternative for Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional timeline-based video editor, often used for creating content across film, TV, and online platforms. For casual users seeking a simpler, cost-free option, Shotcut is a solid recommendation. This open-source editor provides all its features for free, though it may lack some advanced tools found in paid software. Shotcut is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. For those needing more professional-grade features, DaVinci Resolve is a popular choice, widely used in film and TV production. The free version of DaVinci Resolve offers robust editing tools, suitable for most users, while the studio version, available for a one-time payment of $300, includes advanced options like multi-user collaboration and higher resolution exports. Both versions run on Windows, macOS, and Linux, and there is also a version available for Windows ARM devices. Thank you for watching. You can find links to the mentioned alternatives in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it. We'd love to hear about any free programs you use as alternatives to Adobe software. Let us know in the comments. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest top 10 lists and other tech content.